how to clean my enema equipment. Now, it's super easy to look after your enema so it will last you for many years. You can sterilize the reservoir, the tip and the tubing by simply immersing it in water with your preferred natural sanitizing solution. Now, ideally, you use a natural disinfectant soap. Just rinse it and hang it in the sun to dry. Make sure it is really dry before you stow it away, as you do not want any mold to develop on it. Now, it goes without saying that if you share your enema with someone in your family, everybody should have their own tip. Now, any good supplier will have like spare tips to sell. They usually come a few tips together, and you can get extra ones if you need them. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to our channel underneath this video. And whatever you do, have a fabulous day and stay healthy.